Destination Desert. Jeep brand adds Gobi exterior paint color to Gladiator and Wrangler. Gobi returns to Jeep Gladiator exterior color palette and joins Jeep Wrangler palette for the first time. Now open for orders. The newest special run color straight from the factory is available on all Gladiator and Wrangler models for a limited time. Gobi is the 5th special run color available on current generations of Gladiator and Wrangler, following such standout shades as Tuscadero, Gecko and Nacho. Appealing to all sand lovers, the Jeep brand is adding the Gobi paint color as an available exterior color option on the 2022 Jeep Gladiator and Wrangler models. Deriving its name from the desert in Asia, Gobi joins the unique lineup of special run colors that bring customization and charisma to the Jeep Gladiator and Wrangler lineups. Gobi first debuted on the Jeep Gladiator for the 2020 model year and now makes an anticipated return to the Gladiator exterior palette. The 2022 model year marks the first time Gobi is available on the Jeep Wrangler